to today's class. Today we are going to learn about the mechanism of breathing. The process of breathing can be divided into two phases: inspiration or inhalation and expiration or exhalation. Inspiration is nothing but taking in air and expiration is giving out air. Let us let us in detail way discuss about the process inhalation and exhalation or inspiration and expiration. First, first you know that the lungs themselves have no muscle tissues. Their movement is controlled by a rib cage. The movement of lungs is controlled by a rib cage and also diaphragm. Okay, the movement of lungs is controlled by rib cage and diaphragm. Yes, it is the movement of rib cage and diaphragm. The lungs are able to move. The Let us move on to the next slide. That is the steps in breathing. First one is inhalation. What is happening during inhalation? During inhalation or inspiration, the muscles around the rib cage contract, lifting the ribs upward and outward. Lifting the rib cage upward and outward. Okay. Then the muscles around the rib cage contract, lifting the ribs upward and outward. Then what is happening? This lowers the dome of the diaphragm. This is what is diaphragm. This lowers the dome of the diaphragm. Okay, and the diaphragm becomes a flat shape. The diaphragm becomes flat. As a result of these changes, the chest cavity, here you can see that the chest cavity expands. The chest cavity expands. The chest cavity expands. Because the lungs are attached to the chest cavity, the lungs also expand. Due to this enlargement of the lungs, air pressure inside the lungs falls below the pressure of the air outside the body. This creates a partial vacuum, and so the air from outside the body rushes into the lungs. This entire process is called a inhalation. Okay, now let us this entire process is inhalation or inspiration, and move on to the next slide. The steps we will see once more. Steps in inhalation: the muscles around the rib contract, the ribs move upward and outwards. The dome of the diaphragm lowers and forms nearly a flat sheet. As a result, the chest cavity expands. The lungs also expand. Due to this, the air pressure inside the lungs falls below the pressure of the air outside, and so the air from outside rushes into the lungs. Okay, this is what is happening there in inhalation. This is the first one part of breathing. Then the next one is expiration or exhalation. See there, what is happening in exhalation? Exhalation is nothing but the air is pushing out. Yes, how does it happen? Exhalation, during exhalation, what is happening? Have a look. Yes, steps in exhalation. The muscles that lift the rib cage and lower the diaphragm relax. Okay, the muscles relax. The rib cage and the diaphragm return to their original positions. The rib cage and the diaphragm return to their original positions. Then what is happening? The lungs contract. Then the lungs contract. Then air inside the lungs forced out. When the lungs contract, there is lot air pressure, more air pressure there inside the lungs, and outside the pressure will be less. So the air inside the lungs forced out. This process is called expiration or exhalation.